Now you can see from PayPal to Naira bank account. So right in this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from your PayPal account down to your local currency, be it Nigerian or any country at all. I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from your PayPal account down to your local bank account. Now, but before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, this is the voice of Joachim. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online and earn for ourselves. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please join this family by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch right now. And for my returning subscribers, kudos to you for always coming back to my channel to watch my videos. You are the real vibe. Now we are going straight to the tutorial of today, which is withdrawing from your PayPal account down to your local bank account. The issue of linking your PayPal to your Gray and the issues of linking your card to your PayPal account has been so common. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way you can move out funds from your PayPal account down to your local bank account. So what we are going to be doing right here is to come right to our browser. There is this particular website which we'll be focusing on. So just come right here, and what you'll be typing is China Tech Pay. So you can see the spelling China Tech Pay. So click on go right here. So once you click on that, it's going to bring out this interface for you. So select the first one right here. So once you're done selecting that first one, you're going to be brought into this interface. Now this is the website where we are going to be using to withdraw our funds from our PayPal account. Now as a first time user, you can see right here that you can go ahead to click on start now, or you can download this app. But first of all, before we go ahead using this particular platform, you can see where it says buy, sell, deposits and shop worldwide. Whether you are exchanging funds, paying for online purchase in USD, or sending international dollar transfer, our platform provides a fast, secure and user-friendly solution. So right here, you can come into this platform and you can go through all this. Now, you need to create an account for yourself. As you can see the procedures to get started. Get started in 4 easy steps. Create an account, which is to sign up for free with your name and verify your account, exchange money and start trading. Now, this is what you're going to be doing right here. You're going to be coming right to this particular interface to create an account for yourself. So you can see right here account. So once you click on account right here, you can come down where it says sign up. Okay, so go ahead to click on sign up. For the first time you're coming to this platform, you need to set up an account for yourself and input your details. Now you need to pay attention to the process of this particular registration so you don't do mistakes when you are actually setting up your account. So what you are going to be doing right here is to put in your first name, your last name and your email address. Now I advise you use an email address you are using for your PayPal. That is what I will advise for easy transaction, but it is not compulsory. But I will advise you go ahead, put in the email address you're using for your PayPal account. So once you're done, come down right here and put in your password. So it's always advisable you go ahead, put in the email address you use in setting up your PayPal account. So I'm going to put this right here and I'm going to come down right here to set my password. So I'm going to put down my password right here and I'm going to confirm my password. Make sure your password is correct. So after that, you come down to this phone and select your country right here. So what I'm going to do is to look for Nigeria. So I've selected that and this is my number 2956. Okay, so these are details you just need to put on your account. Then come down right here and click on next. Okay, so right here you need to put in an address, line 1, address, line 2, city and state. So right here I'm just going to come ahead to put in Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, so I'm going to leave line 2, which is optional. Come right here and put in Lagos. Come down right here and put in Lagos. So let me change this city to, let me say Surulere. Okay, so that is that. Then your zip code, so let's just fill out this zip code right here. So let me just put this is my postal code. So I'm just going to put that. I'm going to click on create account. So we just need to hold on. Let's create an account before I can show you the process. Now the next thing you want to do is that you need to set up a 4-digit transaction pin. Okay, this pin will be asked whenever you want to do any transaction on your account. So we are going to come down right here and confirm this transaction pin. Let's confirm this transaction pin. So we are going to come down to confirm this transaction pin. Okay, so right now we have done that, so we just need to log into our account with the transaction pin. So you just need to hold on. Now this is the interface of how this platform works. Once you sign up into this platform, you will be given 0.50 cents just as a welcome bonus. Now this is a notification message. You exchange funds right here, you earn chargeback. You do shopping, you also earn chargeback. You invite friends, you earn commission. So what you're going to do is to click on got it. So once you click on got it, you can see right here that my balance is 0.50 cents. So once you create an account right on this platform, you will be given 50 cents as a welcome bonus. So right here you can see balance, account and notification. So what you're going to be doing right now is to make sure you have verified your account. So you can just come over to notification to see the message you have. Now what you just want to do is to make sure you verify your account, because once you go ahead doing anything, you'll be asked to still verify your account. So they sent us an email address. What I'm going to do is to go over to my email and confirm my email. So right here, this is the email I got from this particular platform. So account verification. So I just need to come down right here and click on account verification. So I just need to verify my account so I can have flow access on this particular platform. Complete verification process to secure your account to unlock more features. So what you're going to be doing right now is to come down and you're going to be seeing your mobile number to verify, and you need to do an identity verification and also taking a selfie verification. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead to perform all this and come back in proceeding with this particular video. So when you come right here, you're going to be seeing step 1, which is to share your location. So what you're going to be doing is to click on share location. So you're going to be allowing that. As you can see, location shared successfully. Now this is step 2, upload an ID document. So you're going to be uploading the front of the ID and also the back of the ID. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to be using my international passport. So let me say I'm taking from my gallery. So I'll cut this part out from this video. So I'm going over to my gallery. So I've uploaded that, so I don't think there's a need uploading the back of my international passport. The next thing I want to do is to come over to step 3, which is to upload a clear selfie holding your ID card. So I'm going to come right here and use camera. I'm going to click on allow. So now I'm done with my verification and everything right here. I've submitted my international passport and everything. So you are going to come right here and click on submit document and selfie. So as you can see right now, they are under review. So what I just need to do right now is to verify my mobile number. So after you might have signed up, done your verification, verify your email address, verify your mobile number and all that. So I just got a message that it has been approved. So let me show you right here. So you can see verification approved. This is what you're going to be getting immediately you do your verification. So right now you can see that my verification was approved. So let's go back to this platform. So according to what I was saying, make sure you have done your verification, verify your email, verify your mobile number, do your selfie and everything. Make sure everything is being verified. Now this is what you're going to be doing. You can see that this particular platform works from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. So if you're doing your transaction, make sure you are between 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. And now you can see we got a balance of 0.50 cents for welcoming balance coming to this platform as a new user. Now this is what you're going to be doing. You can actually see enjoy 24/7 service. This platform offers secure marketplace for buying and selling payout funds and crypto and the likes of that. Now we're not after that. This is what you're going to be doing. You can see under this particular recent exchanges, this is where you're going to be seeing the amounts you can exchange from your PayPal to your directly to your Nigerian bank account. You can see PayPal to Naira, you can see Bitcoin to PayPal, you can see PayPal to Ghana Momo. So depending on the one you want to go for. Now let's say you have seen the rates right here. This is actually $50 and you can see that this is the rate of it. Now that is the minimum you can get right here. So let's see, you can come right here and read some information about the platform so you can get to understand it more better. But let me show you one thing you should also note. Right here you can see that we have the menu button which you can use to explore more right on this platform. So right now what you're going to be doing is to come up where you can see start exchange. Now we are actually sending and we are actually want to receive. So what you're going to be doing is to click on this button right here. you can see the options right here. So you can see that right here. You can see NGN, which is Naira. So you are actually transferring from your PayPal down to your Naira account. So what you're going to be doing right now is to select the USDT right here, which is the PayPal, and you receive is you receiving bank. Okay, you're receiving bank. So come right here and you're going to be selecting the NGN, which is the Naira right here. So this is the process of which you are going to be transferring your PayPal funds down to your local bank account, which is your Naira bank account. Now another thing I want to note is that make sure you don't use a Naira bank account like Opay, PalmPay, and the likes of them. Now those digital banks are not supported. That is, for my own review, it is not advisable you go ahead using those digital bank. So my advice for you is to use banks that are well known, like Access Bank, UBA, GT, and the likes of them. So what you're going to be doing right here is to come down and click on next. Now once you click on next, this is the next interface, exchange amount. Now you can see from PayPal to Naira bank account. So you are going to be seeing you send and you receive. So this is the amount which you will be getting right on this platform. So this is details, this is payment. So what you're going to be doing right on this interface, let's say you have $50 on your PayPal account. No, let's just say you want to send $10 on your PayPal account. Okay, so this is the rate you'll be getting right. So this is the rate you'll be getting 9,700 Naira into your Naira bank account. I hope this is very clear. Now let's say you want to fund $50 into your Naira bank account. Maybe you want to transfer from your PayPal account, you want to transfer $50 to your Naira bank account. This is the rate, and you'll be getting 48,500 now, which is more better. Now you can see the rate. One USDT costs 970 Naira, which is more better than following the stress of linking your bank account or linking your card to your PayPal account, and at the end of it you don't actually have a successful linking or connecting your bank account to your PayPal account. So this method actually is very simple for everyone who wants to withdraw from the PayPal account down to their local currencies. Like you earlier saw that you have different currencies, different accounts which you can link, which you can transfer your funds from your PayPal account down to your local bank account, then from your local bank account down to your PayPal account. Now what you're going to be doing right now, once you've confirmed the amount you want to send, you can see the amount you'll be receiving. You can come right here and click on exchange now. So once you click on exchange now, you'll be brought into this interface. So right here you can see that you need to insert your payment details, which is your bank name, your bank account number, your name in the bank. Okay, you can see that right here. These are the very simple steps which you can follow and you can understand. Bank name comes first, the bank account number, which is your account number, then your bank name, your own personal name. Then come down right here and confirm that. Now once you've confirmed that, you're going to be seeing that you're sending 50 USDT, $50, and you're getting 48,500 Naira. They are actually breaking down this so you can understand how it works. You're going to be seeing the exchange rate right here. 1 USD is actually 970 Naira. This is very simple and 100% secured right on this platform. So what we are going to be doing right is to make sure you put in your bank details right here. So let's say I'm actually putting my bank name, which is Access Bank, right here. So it's better for me to make an example so you can get to understand it, to avoid so many questions. So we are going to be putting Access Bank, Access Bank. This is Access Bank, bank name, Access Bank, bank account number, then account name. Okay, so account name, so I'm going to put in my account name right here. So once I'm done with this, the next thing you want to do is to agree to the terms and policy. Make sure your details are correctly spelled and inserted properly. Now these are the procedures, details, confirmation, and payment. You can see it's 1, 2, 3. So what you're going to be doing is to come right here and click on confirm. Now this is the next interface that you need to follow. They said complete your payments, PayPal over to Naira bank account. You are transferring 52,050 USDT. So your total to send is actually 50 USDT and payment fee is actually 2 USDT. So your payment amount you're transferring is 50 USD and payment fee is 2.50 USD. So these are transaction fee. So what you're going to be doing right now is to make sure you log into your PayPal and send the payment to our PayPal account below. So this is your PayPal email address. So copy this PayPal email address, and this is the name you will be seeing, account name, and this is the description you are to write. Description to write, you can see that the graphic design work. So that is what you're going to do. So you are going to go over to your PayPal account and send that fund. So to send funds from your PayPal account is very simple to another PayPal account. Just go ahead to click on send, then send funds using the PayPal procedures to send funds to this particular platform. Now once you've sent your funds into this platform, you come back right here and click on I have paid, and you're going to be taking a screenshot that you've sent this payment to this platform right over here, and you click on I have paid. Make sure you take a screenshot, then post it right here. Now before you go ahead to follow this process or to get more understanding, you can come right here and see important payment rules. We only accept goods and services payments. You must send the funds from your own PayPal account. We do not accept third-party payments. Failure to follow these rules may result in delays or cancellation of your exchange. Now your funds are not going to be deprived from you. The highest thing that will happen right here is that you have delays on your account or cancellation of your exchange. So what you just have to do is make sure you're putting in the details. That is why I recommend you using the email address you're using for your PayPal account to sign up on this platform. So once you've done that, they are going to be paying straight to the bank account you inserted while setting up this payment method. So that is very easy method you can use to transfer your funds from your PayPal account down to your Naira bank account without stress, with the help of this third party. This has been trusted and tested. They have been working very well, and they have been rendering services to every users who have been withdrawing from their PayPal account down to their local currency. So this method should help everyone withdraw funds from their PayPal account down to their local currency. I hope this video helps, and I hope you understood all what I said in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them on the comment section below, and I'll be glad to give response to that. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is advisable you join my social media platform, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I won't give you and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. So see you on my next video, and always keep winning.